Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hop.
Hello darlings, we're out in the garden and I'm going to do a little summer cocktail. Now, I got this recipe from my friends who were visiting this week, Paul and Matt. They've got a little B&B up on the Lake District called Salisbury House. So they came down for a couple of days and they gave me this recipe for a Campari Spritz. I've just added a little ingredient, as you know I like to do, just a bit of gin. So basically it's sparkling wine, Campari, gin, soda water, ice and orange. Excuse the weather, as you know, Cambridgeshire can be quite windy, very flat and a lot of wind, a bit like myself. First of all, I'd always put some ice in the glass. I've been told not to use my hands by Diogo, so need quite a lot of ice. These nice, actually Waitrose do now, these big ice cubes. So then I'll do, this is the Scottish gin, shot of gin, two shots of Campari, then some, as you know I love the Cremant, which as I keep saying my Uncle Dennis loves, and I also like. My favourite sparkling wine. It's a French one, but obviously it's not from Champagne. It's from, I suppose it's from Cremant or Bourgogne. And then you top it up. You can use, I actually would normally use Perrier water. But soda water is exactly the same, it doesn't make any difference really. And then a nice big slice of orange. And there you go. An alternative to an Aperol Spritz, it isn't as sweet. Cheers.